What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Jumper Ezpad 6S Pro 2-in-1 tablet. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £257.99 for it. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, we'll have a quick look around the box before we open it. There's not much information on the box really, apart from on the side here. And it just tells you that it's a tablet PC. The model is Ezpad 6S Pro. The colour comes in silver. The screen is 11.6 inches. The processor is Intel Quad Core. The random access memory is 6 GB. The read-only memory is 128 GB. Then after that it's just got the weight of the tablet itself and the keypad. And then finally at the bottom it's just got the manufacturer's name and address and stuff. So right guys, we're going to open it up and have a look at it. So right, first of all we've got the power block for it itself to charge it up. Next they supply you with this rubber keypad cover. So after that we'll lift this foam up. So here we've got the tablet side to it. So I'm just going to open this up quickly. So this is the touchscreen tablet. I'll let you have a quick look around it. And then after that we've got the user manual. Useful reminders. And then on the other side of the box, if you turn it over carefully, we've got the keyboard side. So here's the keyboard. It's very slim, lightweight as well. Feels nice to touch. So there you go, that's what it looks like when it's out of the box. I'm a bit new to it myself, I've just opened it up myself like this. So we'll connect the screen on it. So that's with the screen connected on it. So that's pretty cool that. So right, before we have a proper look at it, what can I tell you about it? So we know it's a 2-in-1 tablet and a notebook, and it's got a touch screen as well. The CPU is Intel Atom E3950, and the Intel is a 64-bit quad-core processor. The RAM is 6 gigabytes. The ROM is 28 gigabytes SSD. The screen is at 11.6 inch full HD LCD screen, and the resolution is 1920 by 1080. The front camera is 2 megapixels. The TF card supports up to 256 gigabyte, and that's the TF card expansion what goes on the side itself. So that's on the other side, just goes there. And it's got Bluetooth version 4.0. The body size is 300 by 186 millimeters by 11 millimeters. So that's 30 centimeters by 18.5 centimeters by 1 centimeter thick. So it's not very thick really when it's closed and stuff. But that's everything what we get inside the box, and that's all the information I can tell you about it. But like I said, you can split it. You press this button and you can lift it up and split it apart. So this is the main feature of it. This is the tablet. So it connects up from the bottom here. We can see the connections. So on this side we've got the mini USB port. Here we've got a mini HDMI port. Here we've got the USB-C port, and here we've got the standard USB port, and finally we've got the power supply port here. On the other side we've got a microphone port, and we've got the TF card slot, what supports up to a 256 gigabyte TF card. So right guys, that's everything on the tablet itself. I don't think there's much else I can tell you about it. Like I said, I'm new to it myself, and I have to charge this up before it works. So I've just tried it, then there's no power in it, so I can't really charge it up. So I'm thinking, what else can I tell you about it? So the operating system is Windows 10 Home, and it's got the 9th generation Intel HD 500 graphics processor in it as well. I think that's about everything I can tell you about it. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one and you've got the first look on it. Like I said, if you need any more information, I'll leave the link in the description below, and you can get the information from there. So right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.